People aren't aware that the digital euro is coming in October, or the deadline is set out in October. Let's recap on what Christine Lagarde has got to say, or has said previously, on the digital euro, which we know is coming in round about October. Things are moving fast. The evolution of money is here.
On your second point, I tend to share your views. Nature doesn't like vacuum. And we started working on the digital euro way back, actually when I started my term 5.5 years ago, which is focused on accelerating the pace and hopefully campaigning enough with all the stakeholders, meaning European Parliament, meaning European Council, meaning European Commission, so that we can eventually, not put to bed, but put to reality this digital euro. The deadline for us is going to be October of 25, and we are getting ready for that deadline.
Now, Quant has an involvement in that. They were one of the participants involved in it. Last month, the ECB announced that Quant, alongside almost 70 market participants, including merchants, fintech companies, startups, banks, and other payment service providers, has been selected to work on the ECB's digital euro project as a pioneering partner. The interesting thing with Quant, and you can see this is an update just from literally today, on the 15th of July, Bank of England published a significant update introducing a collaborative new model for designing and delivering the UK's next generational retail payment infrastructure. The interesting thing with Quant is not a distributed ledger. It's a over ledger system, which is extremely interesting because what it essentially does, like I say, you want to think of Quant as like Google. It's essentially a search engine or an API that allows you, an interface that allows you to gain access to the broader internet and to be able to use and utilize it. Quant is the same thing. It sits on top of the DLT space and kind of acts as a connective tissue. They're working with the European Central Bank. They're also working with the Bank of England, the Bank of Canada,